Okay, number one is asking us for the name of three collinear points. And we need to see those points on a line to be sure. And we do see those points on a line. We see them, this line right here. So drag that down, that right there. What are the points? The points are L, J, and K. Points L, J, and K are collinear, and that is B. Okay. What are, for number two, what are the name of four coplanar points? Well, unless they give you some reason to think that those points are not appearing on the plane, we assume that they are on the plane. And so what we're looking at is this one, this one, this one, and this one. And since you can see by, just get rid of that for a second, you can see from this dotted part right here, that's suggesting that it's solid up to here. You can see it, it's in the front of it. And then dot, 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 it's behind it now, means that this line is punching straight through the plane, and the only point that's actually on that plane is the point right there where it's in contact and where it cuts through it. So these are definitely not on that plane, but C is. So we can then say points P, M, N, and C are coplanar, and that is answer C.